Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the month of September and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Leos for the month of September 2020. What are the guidance messages by my tarot angels? All right, so let's see. 3 shuffles, please. All right. Alright, so okay, so on your energy right now, the main issue or whatever the thing is which you are dealing with is the Queen of Swords. So I'm getting that, you know, the whole scenario right now is basically that you are somewhere in the middle of something where you just want things to be cleared. You don't want lies, you don't want the bad things to happen because you have already seen a lot of struggle in your past. And you know, with the Queen of Swords, she has become the Queen of Swords like by doing a lot of struggle, not just like that. So now she has become like that she is ready to cut people off, she is ready to say anything. So basically the emotions are off for the Queen of Swords. So right now your emotions, I'm seeing, they're off. The issue, the problem regarding this is 2 of Wands, because you know there is something because of someone else who was like confused in a state where that other person couldn't take a decision, or might be you as well where you couldn't take a decision in the past or something like that. Okay, so that is why your main problem, like why you have become like this as the Queen of Swords in the present. Your focus is 7 of Pentacles. It is like you have, your mind is like waiting for something, or it's like, you know, you just want some things to be really fast and now they're not working, the things are not moving as you wanted. So that is why I'm seeing that, you know, you are still holding on, you're still waiting, because your recent past, I'm seeing the 8 of Wands. It was like the things were really fast at the you know, present. If it is a relationship, so it's more like, you know, when the things were really were moving smooth and now they are coming up as a halt right now. So it is making a problem for you because now you have become emotional. So whatever the situation is over here, I'm seeing that the things were really fast before, but now they have taken a stop or like a halt, some that kind of a stuff. Okay, so the base of the reading is 4 of Pentacles over here. So this is that feeling with the 7 of Pentacles and the 4 of Pentacles. I'm getting that, you know, you are still waiting, you're just holding on, you are not going to move, because that is your energies which are telling me, because things were really stable. At least they were looking stable before, whether it were stable or it was not. So but at least they were looking stable, and that is why you are ready to wait for whatever thing is this. But you know, your energies right now are actually different from your past energy. So it is more like that, okay, if you really do not want to disclose, like if you do not want to tell me whatever your feelings are, so just like it's like, you know, let's cut it off. Okay, so whatever this thing is. Your recent future, I'm getting the King of Cups. So this might be you, might be other person, might be a situation where the emotions are involved in the future as well, but somebody is not coming up with the, you know, whatever they are feeling, they are not going to express something, because at the final outcome it's the 5 of Cups. So there is a lot of you know, emotional baggage, where we say that we are, whatever you are feeling emotionally, you are not able to tell people. There are regrets. So this might be in anyone's situation. If you are dealing with someone, or it might be you as well. Okay, you right now is the sun, so we are going to clarify. But the sun is always very beautiful card, but we will see, because it is like, you know, well, this is your card, of course, Leo. So this is that card. This is a very happy kind of a card, but right now your present energies are really not looking that happy, because there are, at least, you know, one thing which is actually good in this is that you are going to take a decision from your mind. It is involved, like your heart is also involved in that, but you are more ready, you are more happy to take your decisions from the mind. So you have cut your emotions off for quite some time. How about how people see you as the Queen of Pentacles? People see you as a very mature kind of a person who can take decisions, who can be very stable, you know, more of a homely person. That is how people look you. Okay, so your hopes and fears are Four of Swords. It is like that, you know that if you will go deep into this, all these things, then you might catch depression as well. So that is why you are very flowy in nature. It's much better for you to just cut people off rather than going into deep solitude kind of a way. All right, so we will now clarify what exactly the reading is, what exactly the messages are. All right, one more shuffle. Okay, so let's see, why is the Queen of Swords over here? Four of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. So it is like, you know, holding on to something which is actually very stable. So you know that whatever this thing is, it is really very stable, but you know, you are actually just not letting your your feelings come out. So that is why you are still holding on to that feeling, because I don't know, whatever the situation is. Let's see first why this Two of Wands is here. Three of Cups with the Knight of Cups. Alright, so there might be a third party involved over here, because I'm seeing the Knight of Cups with the Three of Cups. So it is like somebody around you, or might be you as well, or might be a water sign around you, water, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So you know, this person might be in a place where this person has to take a decision between two people. So that is why, you know, this is the Three of Cups over here, and this is the Playboy card of the deck, the Knight of Cups. So there is like, you know, that is why I'm seeing that you are holding on to your family, but the issue is you're not able to let go of the stuff which is going around. So it's like ignoring the things which you are not able to ignore. Okay, so that is what you are being told by people around you. Might be your inner instincts as well, that you know, you are emotionally, I'm seeing that you are detached. You're seriously detached, because you want to just take a step, you just want to take a decision, but because of family, might be a child is also involved in this particular thing, you are not able to hold on. Basically, it's like you're just holding on, but you are not able to move on. So that is the issue over here. Okay, so why is it Seven of Pentacles in the focus? The Chariot. Okay, what else do we have? Temperance and Seven of Cups. All right, so this is like a very different energy. It is over here. It is like, you know, it's like you are being told to just wait, to just hold on, to have some patience, but you from inside, you are like the Chariot over here. You might be a Cancer Leo, in Cancer Leo's cusp. So this is the energy where you know, the Chariot over here, it's like these are two different energies. One is being told to you, or being, you know, forced upon you, and one is your inner energy. So your inner energies are telling you to move on from the situation, to just run away, to just you know, move on, just go away and just be happy with whatever you have, something like that, because you can see some more options in front of you, and you are really like, you're looking forward kind of a person. You are not that kind of a person who just will just stay in on a particular situation just like that. Okay, if you are getting harm in a situation, if you're getting hurt in a situation, you are not like that. You just want to move on, whatever this thing is, because you know, your focus is maintaining peace, maintaining balance in a situation. That is what you are looking towards. So if that involves like moving on from the bad situation, you can just do it. But people around you, they're just telling you that, you know, you have to hold on, you cannot just wait. It might be this person changes or the situation change, so this is something which is being told to you, but you are not that person. Let's see why the 8 of Wands is here in the past energies. 5 of swords. So I'm getting it. So it was like somebody might have ditched you, might have deceived you. So there was conspiracy, or there was manipulation in something, and it actually went really fast. So that was something which is like, you know, you are not able to let go of that situation, because it was huge. It was not just like a small thing, it was really huge for you. So you are not letting go. People are telling you that let go of the situation, dear, but no, from your side, because you have already put a lot of energy in this thing, but not anymore. Let's see why the base of the reading is 4 of Pentacles with the Page of Swords. So I am getting that, you know, in this thing, it's like you are ready to cut off. So with the Page of Swords as well, I'm really seeing that, you know, emotions, it is not emotions, and it is like holding on to something, basically a materialistic thing, your stubbornness, or whatever this thing is. The focus is this, but you know, you are not dealing with it anymore emotionally. So you are ready to just investigate on the particular stuff, you know, you want to research on the particular thing, but you are not able to hold on, basically. No, emotions cut off. Let's see why the King of Cups is here in your future energies. 2 of Cups. All right, so I don't know, I don't feel that this is a new person in your life. This is something, you know, some kind of a soulmate connection I'm seeing with someone. Might be Scorpio with whom you are dealing with, or any other water sign, because before as well it came. So I'm really getting the same person, but you know, with the Knight of Cups and becoming the King of Cups, so I'm really seeing that there is an upgrade on the same person, might be because of the regrets. So with the 5 of Cups in the outcome, so it is more about that somebody from your past, or you know, somebody who didn't value you might regret that thing and really want to offer this cup of the King of Cups. So you know, with that might be a dating as well, I'm seeing for some of you in your coming future, in your September. Might be you or anyone might be going on a date with someone, something basically related to love or partnership as well. Okay, so let's see what else do we have in the future energies. The Magician. So this is something which you are manifesting. Okay, so this is not anything just by the grace of gods. No, this is something which you are manifesting. So if you are manifesting a person coming towards you who would regret you, you know, regret the decision which they have made, and they were not, and you were not acceptable to them before. So I'm really getting that the person is really changing because you manifested this thing. You were like, okay, because you actually showed the other person or the people around you that you are not able to, you know, you're not that kind of a person who will just sit and cry. No, you are a very positive, you know, ongoing, moving on kind of a person. So that is why the things are really regretful for the other person or the people around you who just ditched you, who deceived you in the past. Okay, let's see why the sun is here in your energies present. Okay, so with the Eight of Cups, I'm getting that, you know, you are in your zone basically, and you are not, see, as I already told, with the Eight of Cups also it has come up that you are not that kind of a person who will just stay in that situation where you have been hurt. Okay, you cannot just heal in a situation where you were hurt. So that is why you are moving away. You are still holding on to the hurt which was actually given to you, but you are not that person who will just cry and you will just call the person, why did you do this to me, why did you do that to me? No, you are like, you're more focused in your inner peace, inner calmness, and that is why I'm seeing that you're moving on. Okay, so let's see why the Queen of Pentacles is here in the people around you, how they see you. So they see you as a person who can just, you know, they can look very patient from outside. So this is about you. You are a very mature person. You are very calm. You basically, you have everything. Okay, you are the perfect kind of a person. But they also know that when it comes to heart problems, you cannot just, you know, basically, if it comes, like, just an example I'm giving you, like if you are cheated by someone, so you will not just stay there and you will wait for the person. No, so they know that as well, that you are going to be the tower. So you know, the tower energy is like, okay, so everything end, so, okay, break up. So this is that energy. Okay, so what do we have? Sorry guys. Alright, so let's see why the Four of Swords is here in the Hopes and Fears. There are too many cards. Why the Four of Swords is there with the Knight of Pentacles? Okay, so this came up here as well. Okay, so the Four of Swords and Knight of Pentacles, it is like, you know, you are not letting yourself go into deep depression. No, that is your fear basically, because you know that if you will just, you know, think about this particular, or you will just stay in this situation, you will not be able to move on. You know that, and that is why you are fearing. So that is why I'm seeing that you are moving on. You are not able to stay in that particular situation. Let's see why the Five of Cups is there in the outcome. Nine of Swords. So somebody over here is like regretting now, and you know, like the nights are not able, they are not able to sleep during nights, and some kind of, you know, bad dreams and everything. So someone is really coming up in that state with the Five of Cups and the Nine of Swords. So something is going to happen over here, I'm seeing. So okay, so that's all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.